While snails may appear incredibly soft and slow, they hide a fascinating secret within their mouths. Beneath that gentle exterior lies one of the most remarkable feeding mechanisms in the natural world. Far from being defenseless, these tiny creatures possess a specialized tool that allows them to thrive in various environments.
This incredible biological feature is known as the radula. It is a flexible, ribbon-like structure used specifically for feeding. Imagine a microscopic conveyor belt lined with rows of chitinous teeth. It is the primary way snails process their food, acting as a complex machine that bridges biology and mechanical engineering. When viewed under a microscope, the radula reveals an intricate pattern of thousands of sharp, backward-pointing teeth. These structures look remarkably like a miniature saw or a serrated blade. These teeth are constantly replaced as they wear down, ensuring the snail always has a sharp edge for its daily survival. Snails use this powerful tool to scrape food from surfaces, such as tough algae on rocks or thick plant leaves. By moving the radula back and forth, they effectively grind down hard materials into digestible pieces. This grinding action is so efficient that it can even leave visible marks on stone surfaces.
The radula is a perfect example of nature's engineering brilliance, proving that even the simplest creatures have complex adaptations. Next time you see a slow-moving snail, remember the thousands of microscopic teeth working hard beneath the surface. Nature truly packs incredible power and precision into the smallest and most unexpected forms.